nearly 5 hours, so a little bit extraordinary, that one. I clicked the old button. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in. Mark here. So today I'm working on a Ford C-Max, and just before I show you the headlight that I'm just about to work on, I've actually restored the other headlight already. I wanted to show you this side repeater on this thing, because according to the owner, last August when this went for its MOT, this was an advisory. So I wanted to show you it so you can see just how bad it is or isn't in your opinion. And that was an MOT advisory. So eventually that will fail the MOT. And if you think that part, you have to buy the whole wing mirror to get a new one of those. And that wing mirror is heated, electric, goes in and out when you lock and unlock it. So that's quite an expensive item to replace and quite a bit of hassle. But that is an advisory. That could even be a fail now, I'm not sure. See, this August, who knows? But I can restore that for the owner, get it looking brand new. In fact, she's done the one on the other side already and it's come up really nice. So I thought I'd just show you that because it's quite interesting. That is an MOT advisory. So yeah, right, let's have a look at this headlight then. And this isn't a terrible case of cloudy yellow headlight, but it is just starting to go at the top, which is typical, as we know, because that's where the sun gets to it first. I did a Mercedes for this chap a couple of years ago, so he knew how good my service was, and he wants to get me back to get these headlights looking as good as they can and before they get too bad. Stone chips, a few scratches, doesn't look great. Let me crack on with the time lapse and I'll see you on the other side of this. Thanks for watching. Hi peeps, welcome back to the land of normal speed. So I've just finished that headlight, restoring that headlight, and that took me nearly 5 hours. So So a little bit extraordinary, that one. But let's have a look at this wing mirror first. And if you saw the beginning of the video, you saw that I was talking about this was an MOT advisory, and now it's very much an MOT pass. If I click the old button, you can see just how clear that light is now. So that's not going to be failing an MOT for a long time to come. It was an advisory last year, last August, so it might have even failed this year. But there's no chance of that now. All restored, good as new again. And the same can be said for the headlight. Whoa. Again, if you saw this at the beginning of the video, it wasn't terrible, but this is still noticeably better. Pretty much as good as new. So again, no problems with getting that through an MOT for a few years. Looking lovely again. Yeah. Well, there we go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. And that is what I do.